We can also make some cocktails with cognac. And here we're going to do a cocktail called Between the Sheets. So it's going to go into a cocktail glass. And what we're going to do is, well, I guess we're making this as a shake and strain cocktail again. So 3/4 of a glass full of ice. We're going with an ounce of cognac here. So ounce of cognac. I'm not sure why somebody would want to go and make a cocktail with cognac just because it is on the pricier side of things, but we're going to do 1/2 ounce of white rum. We also have triple sec in there as well. So cognac, white rum, triple sec. We're going to go with an ounce of lemon, and then we're ready to go and shake this up. So similar to our sidecar, but now we're going higher end brandy with our cognac, and we're adding some white rum in there too. So let's go and shake that up. Shake it on up. And we'll go and strain that into our chilled cocktail glass. We can go and garnish this with probably a lemon rind. So nice little lemon rind twist. It's going to look fantastic. There we go. Between the Sheets.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.